Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. This is Ashwadan from IIT Bhubaneswar. Today we are going to continue our Python series, lecture 3. That is keywords. What is meant by keywords? Keywords are the reserved words in programming language that have predefined meaning. Though the keywords, it is having some predefined meaning and cannot be used as a identifiers. One of the most important point is it cannot be used as a identifier. So you cannot use the keywords as a identifiers. What is identifiers? Identifiers are nothing but such as variable names and function names. So we will discuss about the what is a function in the later on classes. Yesterday we have discussed what is a variable in the lecture number 2. You can visit the lecture number 2 for the what is meant by variable and the rules of naming the variables. Okay. Now we will see the what are the number of keywords that Python exist. So if there are 35 keywords, there are 35 keywords that are exist in the Python. Now we will check one by one keyword and we will see the 35 keywords here. The first one is false, none, true. So false and true is generally used for Boolean expression. None is for indicating there is nothing. And one thing specialty regarding these three keywords are these three keywords only start with capital letters. False, none, n, t. So these are the three things only that start with capital letters. So you can clearly see F, N, T, and remaining everything it do not contain a capital letter. Now we will see false, none, true, and, as, asset, async, await, break, class, continue. These break and continue are generally used in the loops in order to break it or in order to surpass the loop. We will use the continue. Def is generally used for creating a function or class, and delete is something which in order to delete it. Elif, else, except. Finally, for from global, if import in is lambda, non-local, not, or pass, rise, return. Return is something which generally used to return the value for us. Try, while, with, yield. These are the total 35 keywords that you need to have some basic idea. You don't need to remember everything, but remember one thing, that you should not use these keywords as your identifiers. Means you cannot use it as a variable name or function name. So hope you understand and you got a clarity what is meant by keywords and where it should be used and where it should not be used. Keywords can be used in certain or particular places that will be discussed in the further classes. This is the lecture which will give visualization of a what is a keyword and how many number of keywords are there. So one thing that you need to remember, there are 35 keywords in the Python. Okay. Thank you so much. The PDF will be uploaded in the Telegram channel. And if you like the video, please like it, share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.